Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials. Previously we discussed on imputing formulas in your Excel spreadsheet, but today we will look at the use of auto sum command. I remain Daniel Obeyi and I welcome you to today's tutorial. Okay, from this spreadsheet you can see the auto sum indicated here, but the command is here, the auto sum command. That's why this arrow is pointing to this place. So this particular data on the spreadsheet is an already made data, so we want to apply this function in solving our problem. Okay, there is the income, there's the expenditure. So how do we look for the total? You come to this point for the income, you click on this cell. After clicking on the cell, you go to your auto sum, you click the arrow in it, it brings out several options of other functions or formulas. Then you click on the sum. When you click on the sum, it gives you this. So the range is correct to sum B2 to B5, from B2 to B5. If it is okay and correct, all you do is just press the enter key from your keyboard. Now for your expenditure, the total, you click on the sum, the range is correct from C2 to C5. All you do is to press the enter key from your keyboard. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is the average. We want to look at the average from B2 to B5. You come here, you click on the average B2, but here is B6. We don't need the B6 because it's for the total. You just change it, you edit it to B5 and you press the enter key from your keyboard. It gives you the average. Coming to the expenditure, you do the same. You click on the average C5, not C6. It gives you this value. We want to look at the maximum value in this income from B2. Our range is from B2 to B5. So what do? We come here, we'll click on the maximum, so you edit the 7 to 5 and you press the enter from your keyboard. So this value is the highest value within this range from B2 to B5, so it's the highest value. So let's look at the minimum value. You come, you look for the minimum, you click on the min and you edit, because the range is B2 to B5. You press your enter key from your keyboard. That gives us 55,000, which is the minimum value from this range B2 to B5. So we want to check on the count. We want to count the values. What are the values in this Excel spreadsheet? The count functions in a way that it doesn't recognize alphabet or any error in your data. It won't count it, it won't recognize it. But if your data, your value are okay, it will count it. So now we want to look at this range 1 2 3 4, that is from B2 to B5. We want to, is 4 in number, 1 2 3 4. We want this to be indicated in the count. So what we'll do is you come here, you click on the count, so it selects the range for you B2 to B9, but what we need is we want it to stop at B5. Okay, you edit B5, enter. So you see it's 4. 1 2 3 4. The same thing goes for the expenditure. You check for the maximum, you click on the max, you select the range C2 to C5, enter. It gives you the maximum value, which is the C5 is the maximum value. Now we want to check for the minimum value. You click on it, C2 to C5, enter. The minimum value is this. So now let's look at the count. We want to count from here to C5. That is 1 2 3 4. You click on the count, you edit C5, enter. That is 4 in number. So that is how the auto sum command works in your Excel spreadsheet. I want you to do some practicals on your own, and I thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe on this YouTube channel, share the channel, share the link, and like the channel. I remain Daniel Ogbeyin. Thanks for watching. Bye.